Oh, hi guys. So, myself Akanksha, and I am a NEET aspirant. I have given my NEET exam in 2025, and you all know how it went. As if you have given the exam, then only you know. But if you have listened it about from your seniors, so you might be probably knowing about it, but I am here sitting and telling you that I have also given NEET 2025 exam, and the experience was same as it was of many students. And I'm not gonna reveal the marks and not even rank. Sorry, I'm sorry, and sorry for that background voice. I don't know, people interrupt me whenever I am busy. And yeah, so you must probably thinking that what I am here doing, what I am up to. So your question must be, am I taking a drop? So the answer for it is, I don't know. Am I taking a drop? It's probably moreover I am taking a drop and I am preparing for it. It's actually I have taken the batch, and I have taken batch and I'm doing online lectures and all this stuff, and I am consistent, I am focused, and I am 100%. It's like I have taken a drop and I'm still waiting for the counseling. If whatever, if I get a college very nice and if told, I am still preparing, and this means yeah, I am taking a drop. And the next is, so now what are my plans? So you must not be able to see what's actually written over here. So the it says, the PPT says, what are my plans now, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Yes, there are 4 and more over steps what I'm gonna tell, and what are my plans now. So now what are my plans, like what I am now, what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna study and all. So I have taken a dropper batch from PW, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you that what batch I have taken, online, offline, and XYZ. But here the one important thing is there, 3000 hours study which I'm gonna do, as I'm starting this from July till April. What is 3000 hours study? It's actually, I have seen on YouTube that one video which says you have to study for 300 days and regularly for 10 hours. 10 hours, which gives us 3000 hours study, okay, the throughout the whole year. And yes, that is my plan. I'm gonna study more than 10 hours per day possibly, and which is not a big task for me, because I am like 8 hours is like minimum for me. I can sit and study, not sit but actually move from one place to other and study like my brain is active at 8 hours also, and more than that. So yeah, and 3000 hours study I'm gonna do. And what is actually it, I can make a new video on it and upload. So if you will tell me, then the main question is, online or offline, what about this? So I have prepared for NEET 2025. I have taken two batches, like which were online only, because I was knowing in my 10th standard only that yeah, that uh, I have joined a coaching, and I in 10th standard, and I wasn't that much active in it. So I left that coaching, and I just studied of online from home, and I secured a very nice marks and percentage according to all the students who have opt for offline coaching. So I was knowing that I have to do online only. And yes, so I have taken droppers batch only, also in 11th, also in 12th, also dropper batch only. I think so probably it was not my mistake, but I think so I should have taken 11th batch and 12th batch separately. But still I don't regret my that decision. And yeah, I am now also this year going for online, because offline there are circumstances like about the transport, which I am not able because it's far from my home. Yeah, and that's why I cannot opt for offline, and for which I was opting offline coaching. I was thinking, but there I asked one of my friend, is that coaching nice or not? So she said no, she said no. So I thought to go for online only. Okay. And yeah, I have taken Yakin 2.0 batch, which has started in May month only. Okay, but I have not joined all the starting classes. I've like the main chapters I'm doing. The main chapters means from unit and dimensions. Okay. And test series I am following. I'm gonna follow all the tests which I'm gonna which that of that Yakin's tests will be would be. And for offline test series, I think so it starts in August or something like that. So I would see, because offline test series haven't started yet, and I think so I would go for offline test series. Yeah, that are my probably more chances, and I'm gonna see what happens next. And what about my all the like strategies for all these subjects like physics, chemistry, and my yes, biology. So from for physics, I know I am gonna study from Salim sir, because from MR sir I have studied 2 years and it was a very fantastic experience. But I am now watching Salim sir's lecture, because I from for 2 years I have studied from MR sir, and I know all everything, and like I'm clear with his all the that study and like that stuff, and his way of teaching, and it's very nice. But I wanna go something beyond it, like experience some more stuff, like that's why. And I was wishing that Salim sir should teach for NEET students, and this happened this year. So I'm gonna study from him. And yes, physics strategy there would be different in different videos also, if you would ask me for it. So this is that. And chemistry, physical, organic, and inorganic. If you aren't able to see it, see this. Physics, physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. So for physical chemistry, I am studying from Sudhanshu sir, as I have studied from Amit sir from 2 years, and every step is clearing like that. And but I wanna study, explore something, so that's why I'm like from a shift for a shift of my mind. I'm gonna study from Sudhanshu sir. And for organic chemistry I'm studying from, because my organic and inorganic is not that good. So I am probably I have started studying like physical, like live lectures will happen, and I have previous years Amit Mahajan sir's organic lectures. So I'm gonna study from Amit Mahajan sir for organic chemistry from like starting only. When physical is going with that, I'm gonna continue organic from him. And whenever the organic lectures would come in that batch, I'm gonna watch that also. But this is my revision which I'm gonna do for that, and which are almost 92 lectures of him from Yakin 3.0 2025. So 2 lectures I have watched, so 90 lectures, 90 days means 3 months I have to give for organic as well, which means July, August, September. Within these 3 complete months I would complete my organic. and physical as how it is going in batch. Okay, so physical and organic both, I've told you together. And about inorganic, whenever it will start from start in inorganic. And for organic, the other sir, I don't remember the name, again, opposite to Pankaj sir, from them I'm gonna learn. I am sorry that I forgot his name. And in organic, I'm gonna study from Mohit Dadish sir. He is very nice. Yeah. And biology, for biology, I am not sure, but I am like, I'm gonna study zoology from Samapti ma'am, because I know Akanksha ma'am also teaches very well, but the notes criteria I want from her, like Samapti ma'am's notes I want, that's why. And for botany, I am studying Vipin sir is also very nice, because I have, like, last months I have watched one shots of him only, and that was very helpful. And botany I'm gonna study from that Rupesh sir. Yes, he teaches also very well. Yes. So this was for all what I'm gonna doing. Am I taking a drop or not? And what if I'm taking? So what are my strategies and all stuff about all three subjects? And now it's time to say you all a very very big thank you. Thank you to watch my lectures. Thank you. Okay, and so here I am taking a raza from you. In Marathi we say I'm taking a goodbye from you all. Not a goodbye, it's like just a bye. And I am gonna make a full video on about 3000 hours lectures and what's it, and actually what I am gonna do in it. And yeah, I hope so you would watch that lectures only. And I'm gonna record it now only, what I have to do in that. I'm gonna do, oh okay, I forgot what to say. So I'm gonna record a video on that full what is 3000 hours study, okay, throughout the year. Okay, bye.